What is tokenization? When a customer enters the card details on your website's checkout page, it travels through many stages/points, which makes the card details prone to data theft. How is the security of these online transactions ensured? Tokenization! Tokenization protects your customers' sensitive data by replacing the actual card numbers with randomly generated numbers. Here's how. After punching in the card details on the checkout page, the card number is stored safely by the tokenization provider, like a vault. It then randomly generates the numbers or letters known as tokens and substitutes them with the actual card number. Even when fraud attempts to intercept and steal the data, these tokens are useless for them, reducing the risk of data breach significantly. Not just security, tokenization aids businesses. Choose your card by allowing customers to autofill card details. In the future, if the same customer shops with you, they select a card and enter the CVV, CVC, or CCV number to process the payment. Acquire freedom from data theft, smoother checkout experience, recurring payments, and check mandatory compliance requirements with tokenized payments. OmniPay.